Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and testing out the Fisher-Price Puppy Walker with my baby brother. Without further ado, let's get right on into it. Your side is cloud, storage in there, and it's up. Take everything out. Here is like the base, everything in it. Ooh, here are some things. More of that. More. And more. This big green thing. Ooh, this must be the handle or something like that. Oh no, this is the wheels. Not the wheels, but this connects the wheels to it. That. Whoa. Okay. This is the handle. Perfect. Let's see. Ooh, this must be some things in the back of it. Okay. These are all the things. There's also some instructions and screws. So I'm gonna build this and I'll see you guys when I'm finished.